Yo, what's good people, it's J Cactus, and in today's video I'm here with my guy Dixon Beats. So we wanted to make a drill beat using only free plugins. So I know in a lot of my videos I use, you know, some expensive contact banks. I don't always use free plugins, but I don't want people thinking that you can't make good beats without them. So I thought, who better to show you free plugins than the one and only Dixon Beats. But before we even start, what free VSTs would you recommend for drill producers?
So for orchestral, you got BBC Symphony Orchestra. Labs in general, there's so many good pianos and all sorts of sounds in there. So something called the Haunted Piano, that's really good. You got the Vinyl Guitar by Echo Soundwork, that's a really good guitar. For today though, we're going to be using the free Decent Sampler to throw in some sounds to try and get that R&B sound. Some free effects as well as some demos.
Yeah, I'll include everything that we use. The Decent Sampler though, that's something new that he's just put me onto. It's like a Contact, isn't it? But a free version.
Yeah, so basically you download the Decent Sampler and then you're open to hundreds of new sounds that you can download from the pianobook.co.uk. It's absolutely sick if you're on a budget and you still want some really quality sounds.
Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, so Dixon's gonna start with the melody. We're thinking to use like a piano, maybe layer it with a guitar, find some kind of pad, and we just want something vibey. Alright, so we're starting with the soft piano in Labs. This is a sick free VST, so if you're looking for a nice piano, definitely get this one.
Drag them all down one. And all you do is take this one down one semitone. Just keep going down. The only thing is when you do diminished chords like this, you kind of like lose the scale where you are.
Yeah, you kind of go out of key, but not out of key.
Sounds so much better, doesn't it?
I know, instantly. Maybe if we kind of change the rhythm so it's like, you know what I mean? So it's like a bit earlier. Yeah, we are on a time limit, by the way. The studio session's about to end. We've already filmed something for Dixon's channel, so if you haven't seen it already, then make sure you check that out. So we're trying to rush this beat. Try bring that G down to like E again. You know what I mean? Go a bit higher. And then something at the end.
Yeah, sick.
So if we put one like just before, we'll just find the right note.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Then bring that.
They call it like a flam, I think it's called.
Oh, is that the name of flam? I always forget the word. Maybe this. 8/8s will probably work better there, won't they?
Yeah. Chord them.
What was the preset in here you said was sick? Oh, you can swap between nylon. Yeah. Oh, so when it's down, it's nylon. When it's not, it's steel. You know, if we brought the notes out a bit, so kind of like it was on more like an arp. About there. And then maybe some reverb on the guitar as well. Alright, so we're thinking to layer that piano with a pad. This one's not bad.
Yeah. Maybe with like a filter though, like filter.
Yeah. Maybe just give it a little bit.
Yeah, something. Carry on.
That sounds alright. I reckon if we filter some of them out. Alright, so the next free plugin that Dixon's recommended is Vocal Morphs 2 in Contact. This is like a sick bank for vocal one-shots. Alright, cool. So I think we've got the melody down now. We've got the piano, the guitar. We've laid it with a pad. We've got those nice vocals in. All 3 VSTs as well. So yeah, I'm just going to start adding in the drums. Probably just need to get an 808 in, don't I?
Do you have any like thing that's more like me or like Greece based sounding maybe?
Yeah, there's a couple in some of these kits actually. How much time we got? We've got 7 minutes left.
I'm not sure about that one there.
What, this C sharp?
No, I'm not sure about this slide.
Took my sweet time with those fucking bass notes.
You know, like the whole sample as a whole.
Yeah.
If you bounce it up to WAV and you chopped it up, that'd be sick.
Yeah,
if you make
that
it
would be
skippy,
sick,
it's like a dun, like proper like skippy and that. Because you know when you put your kicks at the start and you press
so
enter
it's like,
twice.
Yeah, yeah. I'm just gonna have to add a few couple things before this shutters out. I use so many different risers that I just can't make up my mind, to be honest, so I'm just gonna go for this one. I've never used it before. That's all it needs drum-wise, I think, innit? Unless you can think of anything else.
Nah, it's just the piano at the start if you want to try and make it skippy before we go. Yeah, doing. Grass. That sounds good. Yeah, but yeah.
What, like that?
Yeah, like that, but then obviously that would be longer leading to that, innit?
Oh, okay, I got you. Yo.
Let's play next session, bro.
good, bro?
Get the fuck out.
Alright, so as you can see, we've just been kicked out of the studio. We ran over time, but I really want to finish that beat, and I'm pretty sure you want to hear the end result. So I'm going to head back home, finish the beat off, and then I'll show you the outcome. Alright, so like I said, we got kicked out, but I'm back home now. I'm just going to finish cooking up on the laptop, seeing as though we started everything on this. So yeah, I just need to finish arranging it. I need to do a little bit of mixing and maybe change some of those sub bass notes, because I think a couple might have been out of key. So yeah, I can start with some vocals here. Then introduce the guitar in this section. And then I just need to figure out what to do for the drop. And then yeah, when it gets to the second part of the hook, that's when I can add that double piano in. But I think it's going to sound better if I actually render the piano first. Yeah, there we go. Just going to make it sound interesting. So for the bridge, I can bring the piano down an octave. Then I'm going to add the vocals back in as well. Alright, so the beat's pretty much finished. I also missed the most important thing of any beat, and I had the fruity limiter left on instead of the soft clipper. I've changed that now, so I'll play it from the beginning and then talk you through it all. So in the intro, we started with the piano down an octave. And then to say those vocals are free, they fit perfectly. And then we've got the guitar. And then we plumb straight into the hook for this one. Still gotta get the fifth hit. And then this is the break. I just think people wouldn't expect it. It sounds sick. So yeah, in the verse, everything just kind of dies down. Brought the piano down an octave again, and then it picks back up. That break again. Yeah, for the bridge, I just took the piano again and then brought it down an octave and chopped up the counter snare. Again, it just lets the energy dip right before the hook.